Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm going to make some jewelry just using a piece of leftover. This is just acrylic paint from an acrylic paint pour, and I had these pieces left. So if you can see, we're going to take a piece of pendant, and I purchased those off of Amazon, and then we're going to get from the Faith on the Me and My Big Ideas, the Create 365 stickers, and we're going to choose this little one here that says Pray, Hustle, Repeat. I'm going to grab that. I'm just going to pull that out, and it is a clear sticker, so I'll be able to cut it. But first, I want to pull this, and I want to just roam it around to see where I like. And I think I actually like this, where it has all those different colors. Okay, so once I decide on that, I'm going to take out my Prayer, Hustle, Repeat, and I'm going to cut these down and get rid of the parts that I do not want. I'm not going to put them there. And I'm going to set them down where I want them. So I'm thinking that I want that repeat to go right about there. And then I'm going to take the heart off. And then right above that, well, look at that. That's not what you want. Kind of overlap that, and then we've got the Pray, and I'm going to cut that down as well. And we are going to put that one down right above it. Just like that. And then, look at that, perfect. Okay, so after we've got all that done, we are going to take some of the fine tip glue, and we're going to put that on here. And it dries clear. So after we put that on, we're going to put this right down there, exactly where we want it. And we're going to let that dry for just a bit. And while that's drying, I'm going to move this to the side. We're going to get our tray, and we're going to put that glue in here as well. And this is a very fine but very strong glue. And there we go. Then we're going to take that piece that we just did, and you're just going to cut around the outside. And if you cut it right along the lines, you're going to be able to use this skin for other pieces. See how much we still saved. So there's plenty more where that comes from. Then you're just going to take this and lay it right in there, and you've got your little piece that says pray, hustle, repeat. And I just think that is really cute. You're just going to add a chain to it, and you have a lovely little necklace. Where did I do with that chain? Of course, oh, here it is. So there we go. All right, I'll take a picture of it for you, and then you'll be able to check it out. And I will be putting this on my Etsy shop as well. I'll put that link down below. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.